Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for brokers. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. Call tracking and form tracking together. Using call and form tracking can significantly change the way you're marketing. Putting all of your focus on one specific source won't cut it when leads are constantly connecting with businesses through multiple channels. When these two are paired together, you'll have more data insights and can start better understanding the entire customer journey of your leads. Evaluate all of the different campaigns that you're running. This may include paid ads, social media posts, email nurture campaigns, etc. All of these campaign types are most likely opportunities to incorporate tracking numbers and links to your forms. Using both a tracking number and a form tracking link gives your leads the option to choose how they prefer to contact your business. As leads reach out, you'll be able to measure which campaigns and which conversion type, calls, or forms is getting the best results. As you continue to track and measure the data, you can start allocating your resources to the best performing campaign and conversion type. Bring all your leads into focus. Never miss another lead with quick response. When you're busy serving customers, it's easy to miss leads. Quick response can help. More than a notification, it instantly calls or texts new lead details, no matter where you are. See a simple, seamless timeline for every contact. Form tracking connects all your phone and form leads, including call recordings and transcriptions. With their entire contact history right at your fingertips, when they're ready to talk, so are you. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Every person who contacts you has their own timeline. These timelines show the contents of the form they filled out, as well as the originating campaign, PPC keyword, and landing page. With this unified view, you gain a clear understanding of the actions and behaviors of the customers who contact you. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.